Hello. Where exactly? Baby, I will chime in on me. And he fine. Need you here. Upset, no matter. No, how I would share me? No, I won't. How will I know? I'm not familiar with that place. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Sure. Knock. Okay. It's a me Jew. I mean, busa say me knock. No ba. Okay. All right. That be stressing me. Yeah, it's stressing me too much because me buy hand chains and me should then mean a horse. All right. Okay, sure. Okay, let's talk. Okay, all right.
Why not name say? Matisa nag be.
Hey. Me direction. I want to manage man.
Ah?
I want to manage man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Could you believe the whole nervous and so age man?
Huh?
Messi, all nervous and age man.
Really? Oh, that's nice.
And it's the right person I met mama or direction.
Oh, and I'm a direction. I shouldn't stress.
It's a cow home.
Oh, come on.
And I say me will feel intimate me a direction because all nervous and see age man.
Oh,
and if say, why ready? Can I mature?
My ready.
It's a main show.
Yeah.
And here, okay, baby, I done your code.
I hate you for.
You feel ne opposites. Oko right, left, ka cry beer. A honor nag me.
Oh, okay.
It's all kind of your quite. So maybe I made sure.
Hey, my home.
Yeah,
you feel.
Yeah, the left side on one. And see, oh, dear, you're acquainted. I hope so.
Oh, yeah.
I would draw on my bits, me a friend, or now I pick you up, not the vocal.
Oh, that's nice.
Because on that time, no, not to age, you remember.
Okay. It's a Mayfield. Me, you have Mayfield.
There be friend, friend
number.
And you're ready now, media.
Okay. Testimony.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
All right, we always say,
baby girl.
You're welcome.
A baby girl and more.
The use Cameroness.
I don't a Ghana former will be a real school send me them a person be a net.
And me then I'm Pawai. Now say. Yeah, we need my baby with that.
The crowd him.
Hey,
As a man on the Indians I remember a dream I'm a person major. Share some of what a dreamer pa. No, be baba bluff from soon into me. I'm a person, me a dreamer.
I would do my band up. Sorry.
A dreamer. What's awareness?
And I bet politician.
Mine. Hey, I was an artist.
Baby, so soon you my baby.
We are sure so done.
Oh, me.
Oh, Papa, when I send you now, so the Abidamiana. Maybe them person your doctor, dear. Say, why I don't so awareness, damn your doctor. She.
It is a million.
I see in Iowa, baby falcon. It's never one could Gina baby, no, I'll say, I need you remember when a boy been a day. Me your doctor. We are nice. Hey, nice, I'm a crown of a woman in Muslim.
But you the funny part, the shock, I swear. Hey. Now, on your ball got away. She was a make it right here. You change your name. It's from Dialogues Man. I can't sit now. Dialogues Man, Charlie. Forget the origin man. Charlie. Frame Lanos, I gave you talking. I'm a man in talking. It's very important. Are you okay? Yo, bro. Yo. Chill. All right. Charlie, let's vibe later. Let's link up later. All right. Vincent.
Prince.
Now, different quantity. I'm more like I'm more bagging in. Just like Charlie, what is wrong?
Prince. You will be cause mentiasi. Mentiasi. Me nim si di enyoma isi ashishafa. Obeje di se me connect you on maybe. Eni she waka chere me se obenya hoko. Me kodru ya. Sa me old time girlfriend na me kan ho asem chere say me promise me so promise. Wo what ne ho me koya what fie ho. Se nipo se sama you me na de say mo asem ni kwapo say ya sama me new secretary wejum. Ya employ new secretary oba here you no.
Jehovah, like seriously? David.
Dear course no mentiasi.
Vicento. Are you okay?
Mentiasi.
Bro, are you okay?
Yeah, me okay, but my confused.
Nah, me come on me dinner before go the man like I would say like me who say name uncle. Are you fully okay?
Yeah, me that you okay, Prince. Any panel I obia obey me. And say my girlfriend down for me nim come on be do e and I may be me nim de be so I confused me nim de
my sweaty like instantly right now. What is my problem right now? But the moment I say no cry say childhood friend or girlfriend or whatever how can I want some back in the days no. I must split now so or continue education or whatever I'm from. I want him say like mu bi no. O ko visit current gay ya o ko en what like how
not down for like the best friend me nim not down for no I just want him for so long.
What a small world. Yes hey Charlie
that be from man.
Chill bro we be very fun. And I was like catch me say we new secretary so I as employee inside your no bombo clata. How possible? Charlie, relax, chill. I really like I'm in your shoes. I know how you are feeling right now. I know how it feels.
You so much made in come over China. Oh, when say, obet me I can't send be China. And I say, like, so
like my mind is so shocked to the extent that like I don't even know what to tell you right now. Maybe they may catch you because like how possible? Come on. And come on, the only ma like if I should rate it like almost made in come on as they walk on because like they are girls. Like I know and I know how girls do. Yeah, girls do talk a lot. So like first special towards like like how was it like who is that down so who no like how was the feeling like? One show like a character be like one shot to be ma like there is this
the measures in the cabin se be akosope and me say men friend ne kan chance one train home free no say men kan chance say man in dia me nim dia men ka my confused and na kon so me first so me feel me sure in the cabin say me okay.
Yo bro, that's not the best way to do it, you understand, because like with me how many years on an like on the din comedy abo now with me me can't show girl say like one train home free that we don't do it that way, you understand, so chill. Okay, like let's plan something. What like what should we do now?
I'm just confused. I don't know what to do.
Oh Charlie. Okay, unim. A baby I know a gradual process. So when people crack us and we say, "Oh, pray one day, a pause, and more than a day, and a bar." It's the unim for now. No, just play your cards very well. You feel it. Just be smart, because maybe. Or no ma or girl no who say yeah think it's like maybe on my didn't come and like maybe but no money come here. So you just relax and chill, okay? But make sure you play your cards well. You understand? Make sure say we currently now know what it's here no anybody come on nicely. You know but sure nah listen bro, like I'm trying to tell you something very sensible over here. You understand? Make sure like you show attitude, be the character, be man who's like you've changed nowadays. Just here. Yeah. Now X now only way so no come in on I prefer say like with me watching on one or like one or two be one side like vibe here separately. You feel it. Send a bank of far maintain was be there Emma, you feel it because who knows? Maybe now or could show me a numpa baby. What you say? So shall I be vigilant? Then work out well.
Bestie, what's up? Hey, Madam Nice. Madam Nice. So tell me much about your guy. How did you guys met?
Why Vincent?
Yep.
There was a time in my point, so bad. And it's I said, "Okay, what I be now? Mamma, oh, queen, I'm seeing me coffee. No, so, oh, mamma left it.
Whoa.
And one say, this year, free then, or your friends are a dear Simon Brandy. But he's a nice guy, though. I
know. One case of
how? I worry, Mamma, if you any. Oh, I me, I can't worry me. I can't delay because the same is trying to cry.
What car is nothing ugly, no.
I tell me, person is studying the cacao. I say, and the many me are there, Beme, or Subamboni be our own. A do a track, I want it to move, I would join after what done Subamboni. That's why I'm playing him.
My papa crosses out. There were real hamia.
But so would it be a make catch yourself was so worry. What do you mean, body?
My worry, and you'll be I'm waiting for my boyfriend.
That's our boyfriend. Let me say you in your dreams, forget it.
Oh no, now you say, village, my papa. Now me guy be there go crab room. I say, just say, respect to be ni more kind of my caveat, no, like.
Wow.
My papa say my it doesn't make sense.
No.
Yeah, I'm catching and say no. I'm waiting for my baby, my sweetheart.
Hey.
Yeah. I'm waiting for him.
I'm just praying.
And you call more hine. I am papa down for pa. So home no say nani Jimmy hope so worry.
Hey. And how can they?
I didn't know any all of a sudden.
Hey. Why ne?
Yeah.
Hey, mommy. And how can they? I'm a person meeting me.
Ah. What are you expecting?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. For what? No. Don't worry me. I'm waiting for my boyfriend, please.
Mommy, me say that old time boyfriend in your dreams. Pe bibi na ye. Miss Cheryl.
Are you expecting someone?
No, you. No. Please come in.
Hey.
Hey, baby.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Alright.
I don't know who be.
Baby, we should feel that you relax.
Oh, nice. Yeah, but out to a page and be at all. Let's see if I feel check on some money did and care for.
Oh, you did, but Pejana, I don't know by few minutes now.
I didn't say bar on her crab and a sir check it at the crowd and Tino.
Oh,
tell me, okay, dear Monjourney.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Sir.
Oh, you did it, crunch and I'm dear bay. Yeah, okay. What do you need here?
And yes, baby, baby, continue.
Oh,
we drama fro.
Okay, babe. Alright, yeah, means I'll find you. Babe, I'm coming.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sir Vincent no ene woni da no so Vincent yi ko yi won twere won frɛ woni ni nhia eti sese ne he na wo ko hu Vincent ne na ko ware
Papa Vincent obeba
da bai
otu kwan eya kwan tu okobo braba wo beba my man time obeba
time no na menti asio no say when
he will come, just calm down, relax, he will come.
Vincent, wale kura ba sa
wale wale kura na sa wuti nka me enha me so wa hye obi bona na obi ahye obona wo twen no enha me ba sese no busa ho se wontene nka ohunu
nti ene nnu mpa ba kokko ti se wo ne benya da je trase ese me twen be ma
Omoko.
Oh, Omoko. John, Omoko. Mama, American, take it serious.
Local basement.
ABM.
Aye.
Debbie. Bissero. And I said, me Jenny Brosso.
And I am Viana karaoke. Karaoke night.
Hey, Shelley Pelly.
Aye.
Hey, Prima Life, I would dare.
And yeah, no.
And you pass it all one watch when you bend there. You only live once.
What am I saying? Why tell no? What am I saying?
I ran a day. Oh, it was an air queen.
Yanko basement.
Basement.
After that is Vienna. Karaoke night. Thursday night.
Do you have money?
Yep.
Do you have money?
Yep. Don't worry. All bills on me.
Really?
Yep. All bills on me. My way. Are you expecting someone?
Please come in.
Hey.
Who?
Yeah.
Hey, what's
Good evening,
up?
good evening.
Good evening. Sit down.
Well,
Akwaba.
yeah, I'm here.
Hey, where they work for you, Papa?
I really surprise visit too.
Okay. Let me leave you guys.
Oh, okay. All right.
Did you care for living?
Oh, come on, I'm okay.
All right. Sure.
Hey.
Jesus is Lord.
Why?
Like seriously? But you can't say on your dear cry.
My day.
Hey, and to say, your man, you show what more than one nipa.
It's at least also we feel be.
Remember, Jed, be my friend when I'm said I be when you do us in
And you also buffy.
something to pass it through.
Why are they? Why are they?
Hey, na. Ufi has ever.
And I fear me when say no any dey be behind it. What's so special about?
Yeah, the boo bear Tekasa, Kakasa Kwan. Ufi has ever, papa.
Hey, what?
No, there's no see me. Hey, Nasana, what's your own comment corner?
Oh, that's saying.
As well as Messi me.
As I when I'm this year.
Oba son no come say.
It's madam for you or Tom Radessa.
Abra also names and so me a single ready to mingle.
Are you ready?
Oh, come on, I'm ready. What I do, I mean,
Watch me. Me name say where your lie.
Akola.
Me name say your lie, sir.
Whoa. Charlie.
Prince.
Yeah, now, let's be serious over here. With the one time mistake, when you had your main mistake, come on, listen to what I'm show.
I bet you say Pia.
Jennifer, I say, when you visit, I'm some days, my motor.
Hey, I bet you too. And you born your money. So, we dear, we never sense. You know, why is a funny cheat? I was a catcher. No, I should shed you man at 4 miles.
Been bombing your money and then can you boneso. But then, unim, your man is surprise on na menu me. Yen dress agenda with sex media, na fear review will be a day. So for now, like you empire high dinner.
And that's not a bad idea.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You can have a seat.
Thank you. That's a
Oh, Minamo inside. I'll come back you. Should I offer you something?
Oh, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Feel free.
It's okay. I'm okay.
Oh, all right, okay. What they can say, me and I'm a high key on your day.
Oh, for me.
Yeah. I hope something how dear.
Oh, no.
Yeah, because my name was Keldos, though you understand. But most of the time is already as a mommy. Like it's not anything very serious though, but I am most often I am me alone. Or I say.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. And there are one or two things below I na me pese in kabe boa me. Nan ka metimi ide metimi aye.
Oh, no problem. But where's your girlfriend?
Oh, come on.
Why? Where is she?
Not like no girlfriend issues like it's a whole lot. I don't want stress. You feel it? Yeah. I don't want to be stressed out because I've been in this relationship thing, but
it's not working.
It's not working out. So I'm just giving myself like a time in my way if I'm gonna get the right person now. Yeah, because it's a whole lot, radio. It's a whole lot.
It's not bad.
Yeah. You are welcome at all. Like you can do everything I want to do over here. What's my person will be
Okay.
Yeah, I say the beer you see me with my how do you call it, like my PlayStation. And I am a girlfriend for now. Yeah, also with my PlayStation. Yeah. So and come person ka se wonye bibia wo fia when ka ta bram chen ta besra me.
Okay.
You understand? Nana, as beautiful as you are, I sometimes like wonder. So like you only guy. Yeah, like also you're single.
I'm not just single, not really. I'm dating, but the person is not around.
You are dating.
Yeah.
But the person is not around. Like how? Like explain things to me.
I'm kind of saying, okay, let me take it from here. Yesuswa, namine Yesuswa, and it's Kakra. Yeah, so I'm still waiting for him. I don't want to disappoint him right now.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know definitely he will come back.
Sure, you believe me?
Yeah.
And do you think like it's gonna work out?
Oh yes, it's gonna work out. I trust him.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now, obey them who say maybe Otu Kwano Wakunya will be as.
No, he's not that type.
Like seriously? You believe it's gonna come back for you?
Yeah. Even right now, say Oni Obine Wakwana, I know definitely he will come back to me.
Tell me like you didn't say.
No, I'm serious. I'm very serious.
So when you will be with Crampona, place or what?
No. We used to be lovebirds and it's a whole lot. But I know.
I don't really, and like I'm getting your point. Say, childhood guy no whatever now will come and say no.
Yeah.
Say, say, well, who will be crampona new bit or crampona?
That person would just vanish, just
like seriously.
Yeah.
Oh
just
wow. And then like I don't get it. Like they never hear say ubit meja isani pano.
He loves me so much. Yeah, and love is one thing. No one can do anything about it.
Nana, be very careful, okay? Because yeah, you guys split like long time ago.
Long time.
Yeah, so it's something different, nothing together. Like the whole even though it makes sense though, but don't take it too personal.
Really?
Yeah, I'm finding it too personal.
A promise is a promise, and I know, say baby, I will be he will come back to me.
Okay.
Madam Fono, maybe I'm near if you made the key by table of a bar picture. Okay. Okay.
Oh, man, bro.
Okay.
Now, when you hand them find it,
my friend means manager and a
okay. Or behind you, Maria.
I'm Chobaba.
May reply messages be.
Okay. My kitchen tea. Maybe.